Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the hot side of the circuit. The opposite side of the switch provides two terminals to connect the neutral wires to. This side is not switched. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the top handle. Now I'll note the location of each of the wires, and then go ahead and remove them from the switch. Now we can install the new switch. The black wire, or hot wire, goes on the front side of the switch. This is the portion of the switch that breaks the circuit. The white neutral wire will go on the back side. This plate just transfers the power right through the switch and doesn't actually switch it. So first the black wire. The wire from the field. On the other side of the switch, the white wire. And the second field wire. And now I'll reinstall the top handle cover. And now you know how to install a new switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.